Hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back, an old man in the land of grills. I want to do some hot and fast pork ribs, baby back ribs today, folks. And I want to get some good taste on them, some nice smoke on them. And you know, I've got a lot of choices there, and all these will work. But I'm gonna go with the Masterbuilt Gravity Series. I know I can get that thing fired up really quick, and I don't have much time here, so I'm talking really fast. Just go take a look at those ribs, and I'll get that fired up while you're looking at the ribs. All right, there's the ribs. Got them from Sam's Club. These are off to the side separately, together they were. And usually, and I wasn't looking for, they had that big cryovac, a three pack, and I wasn't looking for three. I was looking for something like this. So this was perfect for me. Probably cut off something else. And if you're wondering, all I did was clean them up a little bit, pull the silver skin. I'm going to show you how to do that. And then no binder, but I am using this Uncle Steve Shake Competition Pig Powder. And it's approved by a guy named Daddy Dutch. His name is Kent. He's got a YouTube channel. And if you can make your name onto a label, you must know your stuff. So if Daddy Dutch says this stuff is good, it's got to be good. And it's got, what has it got in it? It's got salt, black pepper, garlic, spices, brown sugar, honey powder, paprika. So all good stuff in there. www.unclesteveshake.com, folks. I'll leave a link down below that Kent at Daddy Dutch. You can check out his YouTube channel. But I tell you what, let me show you how I took the skin off, and then we'll get it on the grill. All right, it's been a while since I've shown you how I take the silver skin off. You can see this one looks shiny, and this one does not. I've already taken it off on this one. Like I said, these are cutoffs I got from Sam's Club, and I just use a paper towel, folks. And gosh, I got to do this right-handed, but we'll see if I can't get it started right-handed and show you. I just kind of reach in there until I can see, just like that. Some people will use a butter knife. I've never tried that because it seems like this method with the paper towel, you can see how I'm doing that. Get it off there for you. And that's it. Super simple. Remember, if I can do it, so can you. All right, folks, got the ribs on. I got it set at 225. You can see we're reading 228 there. And my lid temp is a little bit below that. I do have a water pan in there. And nice smoke roll in there, folks. Should be interesting today because it's about 36. We actually had a little bit of snow this morning. Obviously, it all melted. But be interesting to see how it does a little bit colder weather. If you're wondering, in the land of grills here, when we're using charcoal, what do we use? Yeah, we got the B&B, hotter, longer, cleaner, and a couple lumps of hickory in there too. All right, folks, 2 hours. It's time to get this thing rolling here. I got distracted. See, we're 221 there, and we're reading pretty close to that right there. So let's take a look. I haven't opened this up for 2 hours, so let's see. Yeah, get some nice color on there. I haven't suppressed them, I haven't done anything. You see I've got that water pan underneath, a little bit of steam coming out of there, that's good. And we're gonna turn this up to probably 300. Keep on watching. All right, folks, let's talk a little bit about wrapping your ribs. So I'm doing this it's kind of hot and fast, trying to get it done in less than 4 hours. 2 hour mark, what I did was turn things up 325. You can see she's reading 330. And I just loosely covered the ribs with some aluminum foil here. Remember I got that water pan down below so that that moisture comes up and then hits the ribs, and kind of what it looks like right there. I'm not going to take that off because I want to go about an hour like that. And then I'll give you a look-see once I do take them off. When I take them off, then I'm hoping I'm to the point where I can sauce them and get the sauces set, and then be ready to serve. All right, folks, we're 1 hour into the covering. We're 3 hour mark. Let's take our aluminum foil off and see what the ribs look like. Oh yeah, look at that. Huh, can't see it that well. Nice color there. Here. Water is pretty much out of there, so keep on going here for I'm going to sauce them. I'm going to go for an hour, and I'm going to call them about good here, but we will test them, do a toothpick test here right along the way, so keep on watching for that. All right, folks, we're at 3 hours. We went with no sauce for about another 30 minutes. And we're just going to do toothpick test here. And things are looking pretty good. So what we're going to do is we're going to sauce them up. And if you're wondering what I'm going to use, Famous Dave's Hot and Sassy. Get that on there. Give it about 10 minutes. Give you a look-see once it's plated up. All right, let's take a look at the ribs with the sauce on it. Oh man, look at that. That is that's mighty nice looking. Give them about 2 more minutes. Give you a look-see once they're plated up. Oh man, folks, I tell you what, 4 hours total, hot and fast. Did 2 hours, kind of low and slow, and you're saying you're contradicting yourself here, Tom. But my whole goal was not to do this like a 6-hour thing or 8-hour thing. It was trying to get ribs done here in as short amount of time as I can. And you're looking, you're saying, nice smoke ring. And it is. Let's take a taste test. That's awesome. That's awesome. Let's take a look at the other one. Nice smoke ring too. Take a taste test there. Man. Oh man. 4-hour ribs, folks. Hot and fast. Hope you enjoyed it. Tom Horseman on YouTube. Nice smoke ring. On the Masterbuilt. As always, folks, can't say enough. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.